Hello students, today we are going to continue with assessment and evaluation and we are going to discuss about the short answer type. So let's start. So short answer type, it is also a type of teacher made test. Students respond by selection of one or more of several given alternatives by giving or filling in the word or phrases. Short answer item uses a direction where the completion item consists of an incomplete statement. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming is an example of short answer type. Next is construction, like how to prepare short answer type. What are the points you have to keep in your mind? Word the item so that the required answer is both brief and specific. Do not take statement directly from the textbook. To use a basis for the short answer item, blank for answer should be equal in length and in a column to the right of the question, and do not include too many blanks when completion items are used. An advantage is essay to, like it is easy to, so not essay, it is easy to score, it is reliability to score to improve the quick response, and disadvantage is difficult in constructing reliable response. So this is the advantage and disadvantage of short answer question. Now we will discuss about objective type, means like 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark question. So it is generally called for single words, phrases or number or letter or other symbol as a response to item. It is identified as one for which the scoring rules are so specific that they do not allow score to make subjective interference or judgment. See, in this case what happens, scoring is very easy because we know the answer. If it answer is 2, if you are not writing 2, it is wrong. Okay, so it will be like for everyone there is equal chance, there is no chance of doing partiality. So types of objectives, we have true false, we have matching items, we have multiple choice, and we have completion items. So this is there are 4 types of objective test. Now I'll give you one example. Everyone knows actually about true false, matching items, multiple choice, completion items, but completion means fill in the blank. Okay, but then also I'll just give one example for as a revision. Okay, so first one is true false. A true false question is a specialized form of the multiple choice format in which there are only 2 possible alternatives. This question can be used whether the test designer wishes to measure a student's ability to identify whether the statement or fact are accurate or not. Like we'll give you one statement, you have to say is this true or false. Example: sulfur dioxide produce sulfuric acid because of oxidation. This statement is true or false, that you have to give answer. So this is true false type, objective type. Okay, next we have matching items. Matching items requires student to match a series of steps or premises to a response or principle. They consist of a set of direction, a column of statement, and column of response. I'll just show you one example. You can see in the column we have A and in the column B we have some answer. So here just example: person who perform mysterious tasks no one understand. So who's that person? The person is facilitator, trainer, instructional designer, meeting organizer, or teacher. It is a trainer. A person who provides schooling for children. Who is that person? A person who enables a group to find out the solution. A person who instructs adults in a classroom. Okay, so like this, in this side we have some statement or premises, in that side we have some response, so you have to match the correct one. Okay, next we have multiple choice, the easy one everyone knows. Multiple means for one question we have 3 answer. Among those 3 you have to select the correct one. So a traditional multiple choice question or item is one in which a student choose one answer from a number of choice. Supply a multiple choice question consists of stem, the text of the question, option, the choice provided after the stem, The key, the correct answer in the list of option, and distractor, the incorrect answer in the list of option. Actually, it is easy to score, but again it is difficult to prepare the answer because you have to give a such confusing four answer, then only. Otherwise, if you giving different four items, it is very easy to catch. Okay, this is the related to this answer, we can give tick. But for preparing, at least you have to keep two answer wrong, two answer right, not one answer right and two answers similar. So student, they have to think and they have to give answer. See, as a society increase in the complexity from the folk to the industrial social, control is more likely to be invested in the destructor, key and stem. I'll tell you. Destructor like family, school, state, not sorry, state, school, peer group and religious structure. And key is the state. When state is the correct answer, but remaining is the destructor. It's like looking like same. Family, school, state, peer groups, like all are familiar or all are similar to each other. Now I'll give one example. What is the capital of Germany? It is Düsseldorf, Berlin, Munich and Hamburg. This is the example of MCQ. Next we have completion test, or you can say fill in the blank. An intelligent test requiring that the test taker complete a whole as a sentence or picture from which certain part have been omitted. Rules and suggestion for the construction of completion test is: give the student a reasonable basis for the responses desired. Avoid identify statement. Example: wrong, Carolus Linnaeus was born in dash. Okay, it is wrong. But in the right, you have to say, okay, if you are like if you are constructing in this way, it is wrong. It is not the correct way. Carolus Linnaeus was born in day, you are asking, month you are asking, year you are asking. It is not like specific. Even though it is 1 mark question, you have to be very specific. In the second one, you can say Carolus Linnaeus was born in the year 1707. So here they have mentioned in the year. So it is very specific that you have to write only year, not about the day, time or month. And avoid over mutilated statement. Example: dash was the first to view dash under the dash. Means in one they have given three fill in the blank. Okay, that is wrong. So Anton von Leeuwen was the first to view bacteria under the microscope. Okay, so only one we should keep. So this is the suggestion for preparing the fill in the blank. Now I'll tell you like what are the advantage of objective test or MCQ or disadvantage. So in the advantage, first we have it is extremely versatile. A compromise between a short answer or essay type or and true false items can be conveniently used for the numerous subject matter. Provide reliability, objectivity and validity. Provide student a faculty and opportunity to get the details feedback. Reduce the effort of the guessing and cost effective in terms of paper and time. Disadvantage: difficulty to construct the plausible alternative responses. It takes more time and effort to prepare the test. Provide cues that are unavailable in practice and cannot test the skill like communication, psychomotor skill and interpersonal skill. So these are some disadvantages of objective type question. So with this we have finished all achievement test. Okay, it may be like standardized, teacher made, so objective, then we have this short answer and essay type. Thank you everyone.